All right, welcome back on our Monday afternoon. Last week, blue skies, so much sunshine. Then we hit Saturday and it all changed, and it really hasn't changed since then. Saturday, we saw the fog, the low clouds stuck around yesterday, stuck around today. Temperatures have kind of been stuck in the 30s during that entire period. And again, thanks to the fog and the low cloud cover out there. And as you can see right now, that's exactly what we've got. Current conditions 36 in Fargo, wind out of the south-southeast at about 10 miles per hour, so it feels like 28. Moorhead, we're sitting at 34 degrees. In Grand Forks, 34. Again, feels like 26 when you factor in that wind. We are seeing fog out there, visibility. Several areas where it is not great. 0.3 mile visibility Grand Forks, about a half-mile Jamestown, about 0.3 there in Oaks. Otherwise, most areas at least in the 3, 4, 5 mile range. Wintry weather is returning later this week. We're going to start on Wednesday. Rain showers develop, and at least for our region, is going to be all rain Wednesday night. We do have some snow out west, but that's far enough out west, not going to impact our region. That's going to be western North Dakota. Then we jump into Thursday. I think everyone gets rain early. Eventually there's a changeover. That starts from west to east. So I think by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, we're starting to see that conversion in the James River Valley, Devils Lake Basin, from rain to a mix and then to snow. I think early Friday morning, when I say early, window of about 1 a.m. to about 5 a.m. where Grand Forks and Fargo are going to see that switch over as well. Just a brief period of mixed precipitation. Could see some slick roads by Friday morning, but then after that, a quick change to snow. Then it's just going to be snow until the system exits, which will be late Friday night through early Saturday. I still think we'll see some flurries on Saturday, at least early in the day. First, though, let's take a look at the next 24 hours. Again, temperatures, you can see, just generally speaking, going to be in the 30s. Might warm up into the low 40s tomorrow afternoon. Really depends on how much sunshine we see. I'm not expecting much sunshine at all, just more fog, more cloud cover. And then as we jump into your Tuesday night and Wednesday, I think it's more of the same until we see that precipitation begin to move into the region. Tomorrow afternoon's highs, again, we got some low 40s here. That's hopeful thinking. Again, if we can get out of the fog, we will see some of these numbers. Otherwise, we're just going to see a lot of 30s out there once again. So here is this weather system. Low pressure begins to move into the region. Wednesday, 9 p.m. Again, pretty good coverage of rainfall. Take it to Thursday morning, same scenario. Notice it is just about all rain across the region. Then by Thursday afternoon and evening, we see that push of the mix, that push of the starting to move from west to east into the region. Again, 3 o'clock Friday morning, kind of that messy mix there. And then it's a quick switch over to snow. Now, in terms of accumulations, not ready to give a lot in the way of accumulations yet, just because weather models still coming in agreement on how much snow we might see. Really temperature dependent. And you'll see our temperatures in the 11-day coming up here in just a minute. Thursday is still going to be a very mild day. Thursday night, Friday, we see that switch over as that temperature really cools down. Weather models, though, in terms of the actual precipitation itself, lining up pretty well, which is pretty unusual this far out that they both line up this way. Thursday, 5 p.m. again, a good deal of rain across the region. Then we bump it over to Friday morning. What we're finding is, again, now you're seeing that snow for just about everyone. Again, here is that 11-day planner after we look at the snowfall depth here. And again, as far as accumulations goes, we're not going to spend a lot of time worrying about that right this second, or really temperature dependent. There's Thursday, first weather day, a high of 45. Then on Friday, high temperatures in the low 30s. Right around that time, so we'll start to see some of that snow accumulating. So it really is all about timing. I do think most areas will see at least an inch. Some areas could see quite a bit more, mainly western areas. But again, that all depends. We'll hone in that over the next 24 to 48 hours.
Busy weeks fine-tuning that forecast.
Right, exactly.
Thanks, Russ.